Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the new update on Render. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price and of Render broke out another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that after the breakout from this channel, by the way, this down trend line is the resistance of the previous down channel. I will show you that channel as well. And after the breakout from this channel, the price informed this up channel on the 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that nicely it was moving inside this channel to the upside. And here we broke out the resistance of the channel as well. By the way, the technical target for this breakout was here, approximately at $11.50. And you can see that the price then moved slightly beyond that target up to $11.90. But after that, the price then again re-entered the channel and we had a bounce here from the support of the channel rejection. And finally, we broke down the support of the channel and the price then dropped down. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then recently, you can see that the price line has also found that the downtrend line resistance. This is the resistance, and here we have found uh, this horizontal support, and this is the formation of another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And by the way, this was a down channel breakout that I was showing in my previous video. I will also show you this move once again in this video, and we will also take a look at this very massive rally that was in fact begun here after the breakout from this down channel. And by the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout almost 2 years ago, back in 2022. And in those days, I've been telling you that once Render will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive rally. And so far, if I place from here, from this low to here, then you can see that it is more than 4,900%, almost 5,000%. And after the breakout, when we were retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support from here up till this high, it has rallied more than 3,361%, but could not break out this resistance on here. We have found a very firm resistance. There's a complete resistance on, by the way, from $12.50 to $13.85. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that render formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, the price zone was slightly moving above this potential reversal zone. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price zone once again re-entered the buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal and it rallied more than 68%, almost 70%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of render. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this up channel. And here we broke out the channel. And again, we broke down the support. And here we have found another horizontal support of this descending triangle. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. Right now, it is getting bounced from this support. And here we have the downtrend line resistance for this descending triangle. We had rejection here, two more rejections here, another rejection here. And now during this move to the downside, we have also broken down this very long-term support of $8 as well. That was recently working as a resistance here. And for a few days, it had been working as support here and now again for the past few days it is working as a resistance. Therefore, even after the breakout from this resistance of this descending triangle, we will still need to break out this very strong resistance of $8 as well. Now, if the price line breaks down the support of this descending triangle, then technical target to the downside will be here at this long-term support of $3.40. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the triangle, target to the upside will be here that will be approximately at $14.90, approximately at $15. By the way, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have quite long-term resistance from $12.50 to $3.85 that has been for a few weeks, for almost 3 weeks, it has been breaking other resistance here and almost other resistance here as well. Because after this very massive rally, the price ends, was trying to break out this resistance on. But you can see that the price end was strongly rejected and it formed this down channel. Therefore, now there is a probability that if the price breaks out this triangle, that soon we may see another attempt to break out this long-term resistance line from $12.50 to $13.85. By the way, here at $13.85, we also have the target for the breakout from this recent down channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.